Okay, today we are studying systems of equations, application problems. So, way back in Algebra 1, I think you learned how many value problems. They were two-column type strategies where we put a how many in one column and a value in another column. And that's what I want to remind you of today, because I know you guys have all seen this before, but we need to go back over it one more time. All right? So let's start. We are in chapter 10. And we're still in section 1. All right? And believe it or not, it is April 8th. Monday. I know, time has really flown by, hasn't it? Monday. We are studying application problems. I think my pen is about out. Let me get rid of this. Alright, so let's go to the movie. We're going to go to the movie theater. Our movie theater sells tickets for $8 a piece. $8 a piece is what the movie theater sells tickets for. If you're a senior, you get a $2 discount. Seniors get $2 discounts. Now, the opening night of, I don't know, what movie's out lately?
The Great and Powerful Oz.
The Great and Powerful Oz. That's right. The Alvin Theater.
Justin Bell.
The Alvin Theater took in $3,580 opening night, let's say. All right? If 525 tickets were sold that night, we should be able to figure out how many seniors actually attended the Great and Powerful Oz, right? So that's our goal. We want to know the number of seniors present that night. Now, I want to teach you how to sort this kind of a problem to make it easy to write two equations and solve. So we're going to start out and we're going to write a how many and a value table. All right, so the first thing we'll do is we'll put in our how many column R for the number of regular price tickets. R represents the number of regular price tickets. The value of a regular price ticket, we're going to put in this column, is $8. And I like to use S for seniors. All right, senior citizens tickets have a $2 discount. So, Emily, how much are we going to pay?
There's $6.
$6, thank you. All right. The next thing I'm going to put is 525. That's the total number of tickets sold. And the total revenue brought in that evening, $3,580. All right, now that we've got everything sorted, we should be able to very quickly write two equations with two variables.
R plus S equals 525.
Okay, so that's our how many equation. We'll just call it HM for how many. R plus S equals 525.
8R plus 6X. S equals 3,580.
Okay, that's our value equation. was it? No, actually it was last Thursday. We learned about solving systems of equations using elimination. So that's what we're going to do with these two equations. We're going to solve them using elimination. We could use substitution, and I'm okay with whatever works for you, but I'm going to show you how to do it using elimination. All right? We know that we're looking for seniors, so I'm going to eliminate the regular ticket buyers. Okay? So if I'm going to eliminate R's, I know I need same coefficient, but opposite sign. Let me write that down. Same coefficient, but opposite sign. Mary, how am I going to get this first equation, my how many equation?
Multiply by -8.
-8, very good. So multiply this whole equation by -8. I'm going to put it right underneath my value equation. And I forgot to give you calculators. I am so sorry. This assignment should be calculators. So we could take a little break and all of you get up and get a calculator.
Wouldn't it be -40?
Minus 40. Where?
8, -8 or -40?
Oh, does this look like a 5? It does, doesn't it? My S's look just like 5s. Does that help? It should be S.
Oh, that. Okay.
Good job. My S's definitely look like 5s. I agree with you. So, while you fix your problem, I'm going to grab a calculator. And we're going to type in 8, or actually -8, times 525. And we get a negative 4,200. Okay. Add the two equations together. Algebraically add. What happens with a +8 and a -8? We add those two together.
Cancel.
They add up to 0, don't they? All right, so then we can add the 6s and a -8s and get what?
-2.
Say that louder.
-2.
-2, very good. -2, and this is S. All right, and now we might need a calculator to type in 3580 minus 4,200. So we get a -620. All right, Jesus, what would you do next? Divide by a -2. Notice that they're both negative, aren't they? Our final answer better come up to be a positive number. Otherwise, we did something wrong. -2. And can we do that without a calculator?
310.
310. All right, so we wouldn't box this answer up. We would write the number of tickets, or senior tickets sold is 310. And that's what you would box up. All right, any questions on that kind of a problem? Excellent. Okay, your homework today will be on page 739. And you're going to be working a number of application problems. 8, 9, 63, and 64. Notice some of these are odd problems. Okay, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 odd problems. These answers are in the back of the book. guys are not gonna copy the answers down and move on, are you? You're going to do the work, set up the problems, then go back and check your answers. All right? You're allowed to use your calculators if you need to on this assignment. All right, any questions? No? We're done. Thank you. Kayla.